may I help you?
Oh, hi, Kelly. Yeah, this is Tim Salisbury, and I'm calling in regards to a ticket I got.
Okay.
And I had 30 days to, it hasn't been 30 days yet. It was see, where did I write that down? May 10th. And the citation number is 3100001721.
Okay. And what
I'd
is
like to set up a court date for that.
Okay. Let's see. We have court coming up on Tuesday, June 11th, or we have June 25th, and it was
June 25th, because they're not, I had requested the in-dash video, audio, and mobile data recorder, and they're claiming that they don't have either one of them, but that's something they're supposed to have.
Okay.
So there's some dispute going on there. If they don't have that,
okay, so I can set you on for arraignment on June 25th if that's what date you prefer.
yeah,
It would just be for arraignment. It's not a trial date or anything like that.
June 26th.
25th. It's a Tuesday,
Okay.
and it would be at 1 o'clock.
Tuesday, 1 o'clock. Yeah. Can you send me over to the county attorney's office then?
Hold on just a second here. I'm just gonna... Sure, I can transfer you down there. And just so I make sure, is your correct address 33458 North Portage Trail?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
I'll put you down to the county attorney then.
Tax, C-Source support auto lunch selection. Prices higher in Alaska.
County attorney's office?
Yeah, this is Tim Salisbury, and I'm calling about the dash cam video and audio, and then the data recording port, and they claim there wasn't any in that case, and it's kind of funny because that same officer is claiming that on a couple other cases, and that's a safety thing that those officers have that running.
Did you say your name was Tim Salisbury?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
So, now wait a second. I don't have a whole lot of time. I would like an affidavit filled out saying...
You need to talk with Todd in our office. Todd Webb. I'll transfer you back to his phone, okay? Hold on, please.
Hey, Migs, one, you...
Hello, Todd Webb here.
Oh, hi, Todd. This is Tim Salisbury, and I had a traffic ticket that I know was kind of a setup, and I had requested the audio-video recording and the data, mobile data port recording, and in this letter I got, it says that they don't have it, and I don't believe that, so I'd like it in an affidavit saying that you don't have it from you.
Well, that's what was represented to me, is that the sheriff's office told me they didn't have it.
Well, it doesn't matter. You know, this is consistent with a couple other cases in that same outfit, that they don't have it, and I don't think that's. I want an affidavit written out so that I know it's they're telling the truth. I went through this with tasering, where I got tasered 30 times, and I had witnesses and everything, and that thing was all chopped up and redone from the sheriff's office, and there's going to be charges filed against that. And I'd sure hate to see that you know, there could have been something done here and nothing was done. So I don't trust them, and I need that affidavit filled out. And if it's true, then you don't have a problem with filling that out.
Well, I guess what I would have to say to you in that regard is if you have a problem with how it's being handled, you can address it with the court.
Yeah, it is going to court. It is going to court. You guys are supposed to have that stuff.
I don't work for the sheriff's office.
Well, I realize that, Todd. I'm not trying to fight with you. And I kind of resent being told that, but if you're going to send me a letter, it should be an affidavit to say that, okay, that's what I want.
Well, the same information would have been provided to anybody who made the request. And
I made the request 2 times. I brought the request to the sheriff, and I brought the request to the county attorney. And if the sheriff told you they didn't have it, then you don't have a problem writing an affidavit saying they didn't. At least I've got it pinned down to them. And I think that's only fair, and that's not asking too much. I pay $5,000 taxes, real estate taxes, which go towards your wages and the rest of them's wages, and that's what I expect. That's only fair. So,
well, I believe I'm complying with the rules of the court, and if you do not, then you can, again, check with the judge.
If you don't have they can't produce this stuff which your cars have in them, I don't know if that's complying with the courts or not. The evidence isn't coming up.
Like I said, you can address that with the judge if you're not satisfied with what I've done.
Well, it sounds like you're afraid to do an affidavit for it.
I'm complying with the rules just like I would with any other person. At least I think so. But if you don't, you can ask the judge about it.
All right, I guess I've tried.
Okay.
Yep.
See ya.